KUKeBOOK. Milo is a storyteller, and in his tales there are trees so lush and abundant I can hear their leaves rustle, flowers so vibrant they put rainbows to shame, and living species so diverse nobody had the time to find and count them all. I long to run through the dense wilderness of these long-gone wonders. I want to smell all the shades of green, feel the soft dirt between my toes, and let huge birds tangle my hair as they take flight. But lately, Milo has been feeling much too tired to tell me stories. As every evening now, I follow Milo to his favorite spot. He lies down, pain in each movement, and, as every evening now, it takes me a while before I can lie down with him. Restless, I pace and stumble. Instead of roots, cables and cans congest the soil. I pulled and tore, dug and scraped at this ground, but there is no space left for a jungle or even a shrub.